Pratik Gupta, and this is my wife Priyanka Gupta. We were doing our bungalow. We started around 2 years ago, and we came to know about Radiance through our architect.
We went around to see many brands in Pune. We checked a lot of kitchens. With Radiance, we got that comfort of whatever selections we wanted. The ease of each and every material was shown to us, and the design that they gave us, and after a lot of brainstorming, a lot of changes were done, and everything went according to what we wanted. That's why we went for Radiance. Everything is quite nice. I love the pantry because before this I did not have a pantry in my kitchen. So yeah, the pantry is the best part, and my kids really love opening those drawers and taking their snack stash from there. Yes, it's very convenient. The way the trolley is open, the cupboards, the entire process was very smooth, and it's completely made according to how I had imagined it. It's very convenient to use, and even my staff uses it and handles it very perfectly.
So right from the conceptualization to the designing to the material selection, Radiance has understood our thought process very well. They were really helpful with designing, putting all the pieces of the puzzle together. So overall, out and out, they understood the kitchen really well.
In fact, we were stuck on the white counter, and that's why we made a lot of changes in the laminate selection and the color selections. But yeah, they were patient. They kept changing our design. They kept giving us the drawings again and again. So their service was good.
Not exactly. So they did the kitchen before they
Before
promised.
Honestly, we didn't take any fancy customizations because our kitchen is mostly handled by the staff. So I wanted, very easy to use things in it.
However, the kitchen was completely customized as per our need, without caring what is standard. So they took care of the customizations and designs as per our need. Definitely, working with Radiance was a charm. We would surely go ahead and recommend Radiance.
We would recommend, and we have got recommendation of Radiance from few friends. I would rate it 10. I did not face any difficulty. I'm sure with the execution and the vendor management, he was more into it.
So everything was very well managed by their team. Initially, Shamji did a lot of follow-ups. He closed down the order really well. Post that, the design team was in touch with me. Here I would like to add a special mention to Mr. Gajananji. He was instrumental and very helpful throughout the process, right from helping us with the measurements to execution. He was just a phone call away. So anywhere there was any uncertainty, he used to be there on the site before anything came up.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah, definitely. The expectations were quite met. We are very happy with the kitchen.